Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be using products from CurlMix, and this is their 4-step wash and go system, and they have a shampoo, conditioner, they also have a moisturizer and gel that I'm going to be trying out. So I'm starting off on hair that is pretty dirty. It doesn't look too bad, it just needs to be washed. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to go in with their aloe vera shampoo, and then I'm going to go in with their grapeseed conditioner. This is my hair with the conditioner in it. I really loved how my curls just melted and felt so soft with this conditioner. Here I have rinsed it all out, and I'm going to go ahead and part my hair and prepare it for my shingling method. Alright, so here I've created my first section that I'm going to start on, and I'm going to go in with the avocado moisturizer, and then I'm going to go in with the flaxseed gel, and I'm just going to apply that to each section and just rake the product through my hair. And then I'm going to detangle it with my brush, and then just rake the product in really good so it can coat the hair. And then you can see that my curls are really starting to pop right here. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to do the shingling method. So I'll just take very small pieces and just twirl it around, and then just do that to each section. can see how my curls are really popping. I really like how they're looking, and I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the remainder of my hair. Alright, so here you can see I have finished my entire head and my curls are looking amazing and they smell amazing. I don't think I mentioned that this is the lavender collection, so it smells really, really good, kind of like a salon smell, so I really like that. And I let my hair dry under the dryer for about 30 minutes, and this is the final look. I really liked how my hair turned out. It wasn't crunchy. It just looks really good. So I did end up adding a braid in the front just to add some spice to the look. But yeah, this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll make sure to link these products below, and I'll see you in the next one.